And in this video, we are going to see that if you want to auto accept or decline the calendar invites on your Outlook, how we can do this. So let's get started. So what you have to do is just go to the file menu right here and click on options from the bottom. Under here, just go to the calendar settings from here. And when you are on the calendar settings, just scroll down to the bottom where it says automatically accept or decline meeting request. So this is under the calendar tab on the exact bottom of this tab. So let's click on auto accept or decline. So here, what you can do is just automatically accept meeting request and remove cancel meetings. So what it will do is as soon as you check that, it will automatically enable the other two options, so you can adjust and tweak it according to your requirements. So just read it, and if a particular one is suitable for you, just check that and click OK. And that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helps, and I will see you in the next one.